Many people find it difficult to use the past perfect tense in their conversation. Do you also experience the same difficulty? Then this video is for you. In the video, you will get the introduction to the past perfect tense. Then the structure of the sentences in the past perfect tense will be taught to you. Then you will be taught the use of the tense in real life. And finally, you will get the exercise on the topic. Let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In today's session, we are going to study past perfect tense. While forming sentences in past perfect tense, we have to make use of had plus V3. The subjects that I have taken on the board are either singular or plural. It means we can form sentences in past perfect tense by making use of had plus V3 with either singular or plural subjects. The subjects that I have taken on the board are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, Ajay and boys. In the list of the subjects that I have taken, we are getting co-mixing of singular as well as plural subject. It means we can make use of either singular or plural subjects while forming sentences in past perfect tense. Okay friends, before we start with the structure of sentences in past perfect tense, it is mandatory for us to focus on the four forms of English verbs, namely V1, V2, V3 and V1 plus ing. Let's read the forms of verbs given on the board. Make, made, made, making. Shout, shouted, shouted, shouting. In today's session, while forming sentences in past perfect tense, we are going to make use of V3. Okay friends, now let's study the structure of sentences in past perfect tense. The structure is written on the board. Subject plus had plus V3 plus remaining part of the sentence. Here I have taken 4 examples, and in these 4 examples you can notice the use of the structure. Let's understand this structure with the help of the examples that I have taken. He had come to the school. In this example, we have made use of subject in the beginning of the sentence. Word he is the subject in the sentence. Then we have put had. Then we have put V3. Word come is the V3 in the sentence. And then remaining part of the sentence is put, that is to the school. Next example. She had come to the school. In this example also we have made use of the subject in the beginning of the sentence. Then we have put word had. Then word come is the V3 in the sentence. And then remaining part of the sentence is put, that is to the school. Next example. We had come to the school. Here also you can notice the use of the structure. Here we have made use of we in the beginning of the sentence, and that is the subject in the sentence. Then word had is put. Then V3 is put. Word come is the V3 in the sentence. And then remaining part of the sentence is put, that is to the school. And finally, my friends had come to the school. In this example also, we can see the use of the structure. My friends is the subject in the sentence. Then we have put had. Then we have put V3. Word come is the V3 in the sentence. And then remaining part of the sentence is put, that is to the school. In this way, by following the structure of sentences in past perfect tense, we can write sentences. Similarly, we can use these sentences in our day-to-day life. Okay friends, now we will focus on the use of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to show the earlier action. Let me make you understand same thing. Suppose there are 2 actions that have happened in the past. The action that has happened earlier or the action that is older will receive the structure of past perfect tense. Let's understand this thing with the help of example. When the police arrived, the thieves had run away. In this example, there are two actions. First one is the police arrived, and the second one is the thieves had run away. The action that is older is the thieves had run away. And in order to describe that action, we have made use of past perfect tense. The thieves is the subject in the sentence. Then word had is put. Then V3 is put. Word run is the V3 in the sentence. And then remaining part of the sentence is put. In this way, when we describe two actions in the past, the action that has happened earlier will always receive the structure of past perfect tense. Okay friends, let's understand the use of past perfect tense with the help of the examples that I have taken on the board. First example, I went there after I had completed my homework. Here there are two actions that are being described in the sentence. The first action is I had completed my homework, and the action that happened after this action is I went there. Next example, the students had done their homework before their teacher arrived. In this example also we can see two actions. The first action that took place is the students had done their homework, and after this action one more action has happened, that is their teacher arrived. In this way we can use past perfect tense to describe the action that has happened earlier, and we can use simple past tense to describe the action that has happened later. Okay friends, now let's start the exercise. This exercise will help you to make use of past perfect tense effectively. In the exercise, we have to fill in the blanks with had plus V3. With all these subjects, we have to make use of had. And after had, we have to put suitable V3 as per the sentence. Let's start. She dash a story. She had written a story. Next example. They dash me. They had called me. Next example. You dash your task. You had done your task. Next example. He dash to play. He had gone to play. Next example. We dash his permission. We had taken his permission. And finally, my teacher dash me. My teacher had taught me. In this way, with all the subjects, we have made use of had, and after had, we have made use of V3. Okay friends, I am going to end the session here. I hope that you have liked the session. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.